to simplify this, and this is complicated if you take it anyhow. So we're going to take everything step by step by converting these mixed fractions towards um, fractions, from mixed fraction to proper fraction, by saying 4 times 3 plus 3 divided by 4 times 2 over 2 times 2 plus 1 over 2 2 times 3 plus 1 over 2 over 3 times 2 plus 1 over 2. From here we can say 4 times 3 is 12 plus 3 is 15. This 15 over 4 times multiplied by 2 over, this is 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5 over 2. It's 5 over 2 divided by, this is 1 over 6, 7 over 3 plus, this is going to be 3 over 2. And from here we have 15 over 4 times 2 divided by 5 over 2 divided by 1 divided by 7 over 3 plus 3 over 2. So we can go further by saying what, 15 over 4, 15 divided by 4 times this by flipping here, 2 divided by 5 divided by, then the same thing we can multiply here by flipping this by saying 3 over 7 plus 3 over 2 makes this a lot easier to do. Then we can still multiply, like, let's put this in fractions. I say 15 over 4 times, if we multiply this, it will be 4 over 5 divided by, this will become 3 over 7 plus this over 2. Add this to the fraction inside, and the common denominator of the fraction inside is the common multiple is 14. So we can say 15 divided by 4 times 5 divided by, the common denominator is 14, 14 times 7 over 3 will be equal to what? 2 times 3. And 14 times this will be equal to 7 times 3. 15 divided by 4 times 4 over 5 divided by, this is 6 and this 21, so to become over 14. So here we can flip this. We can flip this by multiplying here, and here will be 15 over 4 times 4 over 5 times 14 over 27. 14 over 27. And because we have multiplication, we can cancel out. Here to here is 1. Here to here is 3. So what we have here is 3 times 1 times 14 divided by 27 divided by 27. 3 here is 1, 3 here is 9. 9 is 27, yeah. So what we have here is 1 times 14 over 9, and our final answer will be in this box as what? 14 over 9. So